Hannah Lover 56 with, as you know, another audition. Oh, Sierra Productions was right. These are fun. Okay, so I'm auditioning for Fearless with, I don't know how to pronounce that name, M Cutie Face, I think. And so I'm auditioning for Lacey, May, and April. Okay, so okay. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna say my lines twice. I can't believe we moved again, Mom. It's gonna be harder to fit in all over again. Okay, so May. Okay. Everyone get out of the hallway unless, well, if you're as popular as me, which you're not. Okay, and here's April. Hang on. Okay. Hi, I'm April. You look new. Do you want me to give you a tour? Okay, so I really hope I get a part because this is just so cool. Okay, so bye.